Hello, my name is Krystial Harrell. I'm the American Heart Coordinator at Coastal Pines Technical College. Today I'm going to go over how to use the AED. So the AED stands for Automatic External Defibrillator, and we have these located at every campus. Alright, I'm going to show you the steps of how to use the AED. We have the Zoll AED on every campus, and so when you pull the AED out, it's going to have an attachment on the side, and on the attachment it has a face shield, scissors, and a cloth. So you cannot use the AED in water, so if there's any types of liquid on there you have to dry them off, and then if you're having trouble removing the shirt you have scissors to cut it off. So with the face shield, I'll show you what it looks like. Now the pocket masks are the best, but this is just one you place over the mouth. So if you have a pocket mask, those are the best to use because they protect yourself from bloodborne pathogens. So now I'm going to show you the steps. The first thing you need to do is turn it on.
Unit OK, adult bed. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest. Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest.
And then it's going to analyze, and it's going to tell you to stand clear, and that's when you would press the shock button. You will notice on the AED, after you turn it on and place your pads on, it has the illustration of each step. The first step, of course, is your initial assessment. That's when you're tapping the patient, hey, are you okay? You're trying to see if they're responsive, if their chest is rising, and if they have a pulse. You've called 911, you send someone to get the AED, that's the second step. The third step, of course, is turn it on. Then the fourth step is placing the pads on, and you're going to stand clear while it analyzes, and then it'll tell you if it needs a shock. And then, of course, you'll continue CPR from 30 chest compressions to 2 breaths. And you'll switch off, and it'll analyze every 2 minutes. All right, those are the steps of how to use the Zoll AED.